Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'll be here for today. We'll be heading off to is Ushafa Waterfall here in Abuja. So I'm currently on my way right now. I'll be going with some friends. So see you guys in the rest of the vlog. Bye. I slept off while we're driving here because I had a lot of food. So but we're here at this earlier primary school and the kids playing in the background, but we're headed to the waterfall right now.
It's a video.
Right here, so we start swimming. We made it to Ushafa Waterfalls right here, guys. Whoa! Oh! So much fun here at Ushafa Waterfalls. Yeah! This is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.